Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an ESP copy. This is the Oujia copy. Alright. Came in actually wanting a pro setup, but the frets are not level. So you can hear. I'm gonna do a test. Then you can hear that most of the notes from here to here, and from here to here is choking. After the 12th fret, it starts to clear out a bit, but it's still scattered in that sense that some of the notes are coming out, some of them are not. So yeah. So upper side. Starting already, buzzing. So mainly, let's just. So it sounds actually pretty good in that sense that it's a copy, but it's a good overall build. It's only that the fret needs a bit more work. As you can hear on the 4th string, 4th, 5th and 6th string is buzzing across the board, but some of the notes are scattered. Still need to do fret leveling. So I will flush the whole board. The technique that I'm going to use is the understring leveling method. Then after that, followed by the close setup. Then final details, like, can you see there? The knobs sounds a bit high, so I will attempt to bring it down a bit more so it goes level with the other pots. It will be set to float with 0.9 elixir string. And the intonation also I need to work on it. So you can see there, all of them are pretty much level to each other, so that's why it's not staying in tune. So that's one thing. Okay, so yeah, see you at the end of the video. Enjoy the rest. Bye. Okay, a little update on the Esp Oujia. Alright, so I leveled the pots already, so that one's done. Number 2, after I string to pitch, I realized that it needs another spring, so I added that. The other thing is I open up your electronics cavity. There's no shielding, so that is one of the upgrades that you might want to consider. The tuners also is another thing. These tuners really cannot make it, so maybe in the future you want to change this out. Other than that, the guitar is good to go. This is the note test. Okay, so on the first fret, the clearance is 0.022, which is acceptable and low. As for the bass side, for the 6th string, on the 12th fret is 1 mm, then on the treble side is 0.75. The lay of the neck is straight with very slight relief. This is, I actually want it to be straight because you want it to be fast, but if I bring it too straight then it will buzz. This one is as minimal buzzing as possible, but later on if you feel that I think I want to try and go lower because you can tolerate the buzzing, then I can bring a bit lower lah. But other than that, the guitar is good. Next step is to polish the frets, crown, dress and polish the frets. After that I will do a pro setup on it, clean up and everything before we call it a day. So yeah, all good for now. I will give you an update once it's done. Bye. Okay, good morning bro. Kita strung up. This is Elixir 942. Notes are clear. Yeah, so this is the note test. put in the distortion. Okay, this locking tuners, I haven't locked down. The string are still stretching, so yeah. Okay, so maybe in the future also, instead of using this particular Floyd, you might want to get it changed. Tuning stability for this one is okay for now, but after you bend and you go back up, you might want to like tap it to set back in place. But so far it seems to be fine, so you want to maybe in the future upgrades you want to consider changing the Floyd also. So far it's okay. Guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming soon. Stay tuned. If you need my help with any of the work, 8418-9951. WhatsApp me. Bye.